Well, it's official, she's open again. Now then guys, welcome back to Down Blue Coasters. My name is Sam and we're here to check out yet again the Grand Nationals reopen. This coaster just won't seem to die. It seems to go down for like 6-8 months then come back. So yeah, it's been refurbished again. So yeah, we're going to check it out today. We're going to go both sides, wheel seat, non-wheel seat, and basically see how she's riding here and what's actually a really nice day. So let's go check it out. Here we go, we're going to dispatch. Oh, that's still horrible. Let's jump on and check it out. I think I was here with Joey and we've actually got a wheel seat. We've got a wheel? Yeah. Oh, no, we haven't. I'm on the back car. So this should be fun. Yeah, we've got guys going. How you doing, guys? It's going to be interesting. So yeah, we'll see how she rides. I'm not expecting much, guys. She didn't last very long last time, but yeah.
You're going to ride the Grand. They'll be in the red one, not this one, the next one.
Morning 24, I'm going to get my 25th today.
Okay, yeah, just down to one shot on there. I've got a smile on my face, however, that doesn't tell the whole story. We're going to jump on this side now, and we'll do a full review after. It's going to be an interesting one. Well, also, yeah, the ride is still overshooting. As you can see here, there's no one's getting through that gap. So, yeah, it was similar last year, but this is definitely a lot worse. Right. Oh, you managed that all right there, Sean. Yeah, he keeps doing this, so you've kind of got to shimmy past. Yeah. We're still timing it, by the way, so yeah, we'll let you know how long we have to wait till it dispatches. Here we go then, on the other train now, the red train, and we managed to bag a non-wheel seat this time, so yes, looking forward to it.
He's not looking forward to it, he's a liar.
I think these guys are going to have to balance out the review, because, yeah, I'm not feeling great about this. Alright guys, in the same place as we started the video then. So, I've just had 2 rides on there, so I've done the both trains, wheeled and non-wheel seat. Both times were on the back car. So the first ride was a wheeled seat, and it was bloody awful, I'm not going to lie. That's one of the worst rides I've ever had on there. It was riding, shock, I mean these guys are not happy with me here, but hey, it's my opinion. I thought it was bloody horrible. I'm like, if it's riding like that, you can keep it, you can stay dead. Horrible, honestly, I didn't enjoy it at all. The second ride, though, on a non-wheel seat was a massive improvement. It just kind of takes the jankers out. Because you're not on a wheel seat, the car can kind of flex a little bit. So those kind of little bumps that kind of give you a headache, you don't really feel them as much. So I found the second ride actually quite enjoyable. It was the red train, non-wheel seat on the back car, and I thought that was actually very good, to be fair. Much like it was riding last year after the refurbishment there. But yeah, it's a mixed bag. I would say if it's quiet and you can guarantee yourself a non-wheel seat, I would say go for it. I would say if you're going to get a wheel seat, just walk out the exit and leave, is my personal opinion. But what do you think, mate? You actually love it, don't you?
Better than the Wicker Man, hands down.
Better than the Wicker Man, eh? There's a glowing review.
Wicker Man, better than Wicker Man.
So, how did you find it compared to last year? Is it riding better, or?
Last year, it was awful last year, I remember.
Yeah, it's never been good, has it?
It's just the airtime of they are just...
Yes, I will say that, yeah. I will say that is a fair point. You do get a cracking a lot of airtime with that. It's very good. Joey's vlogception here. But yeah, it was Yeah, you do get airtime, but it's just very rough. What about you, Joey? I'm going to vlog on your vlog now.
I think it's brilliant. I think the wheel seat's obviously a lot rougher,
Yeah.
but I just think it's such a classic, and I'd be so gutted if it wasn't open.
Aye.
So I know it's not for everybody. It's very much a Marmite coaster. You either love it, like you love it more than anything in the world, or you
Yeah,
hate it.
I get that.
I'm on the side that loves it. I would ride it all day. If it wasn't for the operations, no disrespect to the staff, it's just a very slow operating coaster.
Yeah, I'll talk
I would
about
ride
that
it all
soon.
day. But yeah, brilliant. I'm just really glad to have it back actually. So.
Yeah, just to touch on something Joey said there, I've actually timed it on my phone on my watch, so you can kind of see it there. I hope you can see that. That's 5 minutes and 50 seconds. So that was from the moment it was parked up and the restraints open for the people to get off to the second it actually sent us on the ride. 5 minutes 50 seconds. It's not great. And it's running, well, effectively it's 2 trains, but it's, you know, because it's a dueling coaster, so it's 1 set of trains, shall I say. So you just sort of stun the air gates there for about 12 minutes. We were stood there. It's not brilliant. Ops really could do with improving. But anyway, yeah, that's just a point now. We'll get some final words from you guys. What do you reckon, Claire? How are we doing? Not for you?
Not for me. First time we went on it before, got a wheel seat, then I got another wheel seat.
Okay.
And the second time I went on it, obviously because I'm on the larger side.
Don't know what you're talking about, woman. Wash your mouth out.
The restraints digged into my stomach.
Yeah, a bit painful.
Yeah, quite painful, especially for a lady.
Yeah, I had as well on that because you take bags on. I've got my little camera bag here, so that was hitting me on the shin, which did hurt a bit. So, yeah, thing is, it's over 100 years. Well, is it over 100 years
90.
now? 90 something years, there we are. I'll put it on screen there. So she's an old girl, so you know, don't expect to be rough. And the fact that she's listed as well, they are very limited on what they can actually do with this ride. I would love to see a full Gravity Group retrack, a bit of reprofile on there, and get some actually decent cars in there. Don't get the new Infinity Flyers because they suck, but if you can get the Timberliner, not the Timberliners, the Millennium Flyers, yeah, we would love though, that'd be fantastic. But that's my review anyway, for what it's worth. But yeah, get yourself down here. It's now open, fully at the park, so I don't think there's actually anything down apart from river caves. Pretty much the whole park is now in operation, and you can really tell because this area of the park is much more lively now, and the other rides in the area, the queues have dropped as well because this has taken up some of that capacity. So yeah, absolutely fantastic. However, if you do want to see what we think of Invictus, then check out the video over here, and we'll see you over there.